Hi guys, today I'm here to show you this LifeSmart 1500 watt plus infrared electric heater. Stay toasty warm this winter with this portable LifeSmart heater. It's designed to heat your home without reducing humidity or oxygen, all while maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment. Made of furniture grade wood, this LifeSmart heater can heat up to 1,800 square feet. It's equipped with a lifetime washable filter and a life expectancy of copper coated quartz tubes that are rated at 25,000 hours, or 8 hours a day for about 8 years of use. This heater features an overheat safety shutoff switch and a thermostat that can maintain temperatures between 59 and 86 degrees. Plus, this heater offers a cool to touch exterior cabinet that's safe for kids and pets, and it comes with a wireless remote control. You'll get a 3-year warranty with this infrared heater. And as always, we offer unbeatable prices and fast free shipping.